Well, a state judge today ordered a 37-year-old Waimea man to stand trial in the death of a 3-year-old girl in his care. Ezekiel Wakinekona is charged with manslaughter in the death of Marley Makanani. He's also charged with abuse involving the little girl's 2 sisters. Today, his wife, a nurse, told the court they had hanai'd the 3 girls and testified that she is the sole provider, while Ezekiel Wakinekona is the sole caregiver and disciplinarian.
As he was carrying her and running towards me, a very loose head, and I could hear this awful gurgling sound.
Kehaulani Wakinekona took the witness stand, telling the court she was folding laundry Friday night when her husband, Ezekiel Wakinekona, came out of the bathroom carrying Marley.
I took Marley from him, and because she was still breathing, I laid her on the ground and laid her on her side. I realized at that time that yes, she was breathing, but she needed to go to the hospital right away.
She testified they drove Marley to the hospital, stopping at a fire station when the little girl stopped breathing. She said the girl was transferred to an ambulance and taken to North Hawaii Community Hospital, where Kehaulani works. Gary Goldberg was the ER doctor who saw Marley.
She was cold to the touch. She was visibly bruised in multiple areas. Wasn't breathing well and was being bagged at the time by emergency personnel. As soon as she arrived, I didn't think she didn't have a heartbeat, and we started resuscitation immediately.
When asked about any other injuries,
there was bruising around the face. There was bruising along the legs, front of the legs, almost all the way down. There's what looked almost like a skin burn with some blister that was devitalized in the chest wall, and the skin was extremely cold. There was a laceration near the left groin.
The girl was transferred to Oahu, where she died Sunday. Wakinekona's lawyer argued the state had not provided enough proof and questioned the findings of the Honolulu medical examiner.
Specifically with respect to the head injury, what we heard the detective say that the ME said in Honolulu contradicts what the attending physician said, is that they did a CAT scan and there seemed to be no head trauma.
Kehaulani Wakinekona testified today that their 16-year-old daughter and 12-year-old son were also at home Friday night, along with another boy that they sometimes take care of. She was not asked about any other injuries little Marley Makanani may have had. The judge increased Wakinekona's bail from $60,000 to $500,000.